First, it is used in sewage treatment. Aerobic microbes are allowed to grow in primary fluent during secondary stage of wastewater treatment. These microbes consume major part of organic matter in the fluent. Second one is protection of biogas. Human and animal fecal matter and plant wastes are broken down by an anaerobic bacteria to produce methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Third one is protection of alcohol and wine. Alcoholic drinks are prepared by the fermentation process using yeast. Sugar in grapes are fermented by using yeast. Beer is produced by the fermentation of sugars in rice and barley. And the fourth one is microbes in redding and tanning process. Redding. A flax plant are tied in bundles kept in water. This process is known as a redding. Tanning. In tanning industry, bacteria act upon the skin of animal and make it soft, and therefore it becomes pliable. The last one is in daily life, making bread, preparation of curd and human intestine. Making bread. Yeast is used in bakeries to make a bread and cake. They are added to be a duff to produce carbon dioxides which make the duff rise. Bread and cakes are soft due to the carbon dioxide gas. And lactochism gets milk is turned into the lactic acid, that is curdling of milk. Therefore, milk becomes thick like curd. It gives sour taste. When curd is proposed, the cottage cheese, that is paneer, is obtained. Third one is in human intestine. It lives in the human intestine, helps in the digestion of food and fight against the harmful disease causing organism. E. coli bacteria in human intestine help in synthesizing vitamin K and vitamin B complex. Harmful effects of microorganism. Few microorganisms are harmful in human, animal as well as plants. They cause disease, hence they are called as pathogens. Pathogens enters into the body through cuts, wounds in the skin, mouth or nose and cause diseases. Virus causing flu are spread through air. When a patient sneezes, droplet containing virus spread in air and gets entered into the another person when he breathes. So, in this tabular column, we are going to see the disease caused by microorganism in human. First, human diseases. Tuberculosis, cholera, common cold, rabies, homeopathic dysentery, malaria. And I gave you the columns are caustic microorganism, mode of transmission, symptoms and prevention measure and treatment. Go through this tabular column. Disease caused by microorganism in plants. Some of the disease I gave here: citric cancer, rust of wheat and yellow vein. Bacteria, fungi, virus. Mode of transmission is air and seeds and insects. These are the microorganisms which also affects the plants. Disease caused by microorganism in animals. Disease in an animal is caused by bacteria or Thranax, black quarters and tuberculosis. Bacteria can affect wound and that's why wounds should be treated. And microbes in food processes. The food prevention, modern and traditional techniques like pickle, fermentation and chemical pickling and fermentation pickling, boiling, sugaring, and modern technique is pasteurization. In your lower class, you already learned what is meant by pasteurization, heating the milk. Preservation of a liquid food is called as a pasteurization. And food protection is a probiotics. Decrease the risk in colon cancer and decrease the cholesterol absorption. Relation between man, microbes, balance, imbalance and uses. Life revolves around the five basic elements: earth, water, fire, air and space. Human life and knowledge of science exist simultaneously. Man felt protect living in groups and so involved in group activities. Negative outcome of group activities: disease, population and pollution. Alternative ideas: too late to think about preventive measure but can improvise a good medical services, conservation method and socio-biological approaches. Thousands of bacteria, fungi and other microbes that live in our are essential contributors to our good health. They break down toxic, manufacture some vitamins and essential amino acid to form a barrier against the invaders. Gut microbes are the bacteria in a human gut. It is one of the most important alien in our all over health and well-being. Many different aspects of health are attached to it. Prions. The word prion is derived from the proteinaceous infectious particle. Prions have neither DNA or RNA to transmit infection. A prion is muted form of usually harmless protein. Prions cause disease by affecting brain or neural tissue. Virion is the entire virus particle consisting the outer protein shell called a capsid and inner core of nucleic acid, RNA or DNA. The complete infectious unit of a virus particle, structurally matured extracellular virus particle. It is known as virion, its capacity to infect the living tissue. From this microorganism lesson gets over. In this lesson, we seen the important topics of five categories of microorganism and cell structure of microorganism and harmful effects of microorganism and useful in microorganism in medicine, agriculture, industry and daily life. And go through all the topics which I taught you now. I hope you can utilize this. Follow this. You have a textbook exercises, question as well as answer key. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.